Land Rover has revealed the 2024 Range Rover Sport SV, which arrives as a replacement for the current Range Rover Sport SVR. A BMW-sourced 4.4-liter V8 replaces the outgoing 5.0-liter, the new version boasting an impressive 626 horsepower. The first model year, 2024, is exclusive to invited customers and has already been sold out. The new Range Rover Sport SV has arrived with a little less bravado and a lot more horsepower. The 575 horsepower 5.0-liter V8 from the current SVR is out, with the BMW-sourced 4.4-liter V8 from the recently revealed Range Rover SV taking its place. Despite its smaller size, the 4.4-liter engine brings a lot to the table. First and foremost, the V8 era lives on, even if it is a hybridized twin-turbo. The new engine boasts 626 horsepower, good to motivate the big SUV to 60 miles per hour in a claimed 3.6 seconds on the way to a top speed of 180 miles per hour. In an attempt to shed some weight from the behemoth SVR frame, Land Rover added an optional set of 23-inch carbon wheels that shave off 78 pounds. Optional carbon ceramic brakes shed a further 75 pounds of unsprung mass over the standard brakes. So enamored with the idea of reducing weight for the new model, Land Rover even dropped the R designation from the current Range Rover Sport SVR, ushering in the 2024 Range Rover Sport SV. The suspension has been completely overhauled with Range Rover's new 6D dynamic suspension system. The new suspension setup features height-adjustable air springs and hydraulically cross-linked dampers to reduce pitch and roll while cornering or accelerating. Depending on drive mode, the new SC rides between 0.4 and 1.0 inch lower than other Range Rover Sport models. Along with the trick suspension and revised subframe, Land Rover also fit the new SV with 305-section rear tires, all of which come together to provide a claimed 1.1 grams of lateral acceleration even while fitted with all-season tires, an impressive figure for a vehicle this size. For comparison, the figure marks a 22% increase in road holding over the outgoing SVR. Not to be left out, the plug-in hybrid Range Rover Sport is updated as well. The plug-in gets a new transmission and electric motor setup and now produces a combined 542 horsepower, granting a name change from P440e to P550e. The updated hybrid system now allows for an estimated electric-only range of 51 miles on a full charge. Like all other new Range Rovers, the new SV also comes with the company's latest version of the Pivi Pro infotainment system with controls for the volume and climate control on a new sliding sidebar. According to Land Rover, 80% of functions can be completed within 2 taps of the screen, and Amazon's Alexa voice assistant is now built in. Pricing hasn't been revealed for the new SV yet, though the LOS model started around $120,000. With Land Rover's push to market this as the ultimate Range Rover Sport, we imagine the new version will start closer to the $140,000 mark. The first year of production for the new SV is exclusive to selected customers through an invitation. The entire model year will be limited to a special SV Edition 1 specification with unique branding on the front splitter, center console, tread plates and puddle lamps. Whether that constraint is production-induced or merely a marketing scheme is unclear, but every SV Edition 1 has already been allocated.